Welcome to Auto Apex, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth review of the highly anticipated 2025 MG. The 2025 MG is a game-changer in the automotive world, boasting a futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance capabilities. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features, specs, and overall driving experience of this incredible vehicle. Let's start with the design. The 2025 MG has a sleek and aerodynamic exterior, with a bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and a sloping roofline. The vehicle's body is made of high-strength steel, providing exceptional durability and safety. The MG logo is prominently displayed on the front grille, giving the vehicle a distinctive and premium look. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 MG features a spacious and luxurious cabin, with premium materials, advanced technology, and ample legroom. The dashboard is sleek and modern, with a large touchscreen display, digital instrument cluster, and intuitive controls. The seats are comfortable and supportive, with adjustable lumbar support, heating, and ventilation. Now, let's talk about the technology features. The 2025 MG comes equipped with a range of advanced technologies, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a premium sound system. The vehicle also features a range of safety technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Under the hood, the 2025 MG is powered by a range of efficient and powerful engines, including a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine, a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, and a hybrid powertrain. The engines are paired with a smooth shifting, 8-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless acceleration and responsive performance. In conclusion, the 2025 MG is an exceptional vehicle that sets a new standard for design, technology, and performance. With its futuristic design, advanced technologies, and impressive driving experience, the 2025 MG is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. That's all for today's review of the 2025 MG. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new about this incredible vehicle. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Additional points to cover: advanced safety features, such as automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, infotainment system and connectivity options, comfort and convenience features, such as heated and ventilated seats, fuel efficiency and emissions, pricing and trim levels, competition and market positioning. Note: the script can be modified to fit the tone and style of the YouTube channel, and to include additional points or features as needed.